Welcome to another tutorial on the Smoke program and its functions. For this video, we're going to demonstrate how to submit for finalization an unfunded course via the Smoke program. Again, the course manager is the only person that can submit the BFS 250 for finalization within Smoke. As you're logged in as a course manager, please go ahead and select the course management button. Select the course finalization and invoicing or BFS 250 form. From here, you can break your search down by your region and your county and your course status. If you know your tracking number, you can go ahead and enter that at this time, the last 4 digits. In this particular circumstance, we're going to go ahead and submit for the A25D, which is a Firefighter 1 and 2 program. Go ahead and select Options and Select. You'll notice that there's no funding. We have instructors that have been designated with their hours and their CEC contact. From a previous video, you noted how to add instructors to add their time. If it's an unfunded program, the next step is very simplistic: submit invoice. You'll notice again we have a time and date stamp. This generates a message within the Smoke program that it has been submitted. There is additional information that needs to be emailed to the office. We will discuss that in another video. Again, we hope that these videos are helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to your region coordinator.